Hi guys, how you all doing? I just wanted to quick show you what I ended up getting from the plant show, from the garden show. And one of them, it's a princess flower, and this is gonna be a gorgeous purple flowering bush kind of, but you can also make it more like a little tree, and it's a beautiful flower. And the other one may not look too much, but the aroma is amazing. It's sweet. It's a sweet almond, and I'm so happy that finally I was able to get one. The other, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And this one will flower like it changes 3 colors, so it's pretty cool. It's beautiful. It's like white, lavender purple, and then a deeper purple. It's gonna be a beautiful bushy. And this is, I wanted it for the longest time, and it's a nightshade family, and it got the most beautiful flowers. And this one is the blue potato tree. It grows to be like kind of like a tree, and it got gorgeous flowers, absolutely beautiful flowers. So this is what I got from the plant show, and I will make sure when they start to flower I make also a short video so you guys can also see it, how they look like. But I was so happy to get these 4 plants from the garden show. Anyway, I will see you guys later with more plant videos. Bye.